Are you still wasting a full 3 seconds on this awkward pair? Let's fix that. Here are 5 F2L algorithms that will instantly slash your times. And be sure to stay until the end, because the 5th option is my favorite. It saves time even in the most difficult positions. Case 1. Left pair to right slot. No rotations. Watch this speed. Now slowly, use the delayer. Case 2. Flip at each pair. Don't take it out. Here's the prevay. Slowly, focus on F moves. Case 3. Diagonal pair trap. Forget the grip. Just 5 fast moves. Now slowly, double layer U. Case 4. Back pair to front. Stop rotating. Use the stealth insert. Slowly, watch my fingers. Case 5. My favorite cheat code pair. This usually ruins your flow. But this is the best solution ever. Zero recreeps here. Master the delayer. Which case was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more F2L tricks and see you next time. Bye bye.